This maqluba looks wonderful today.
Yeah.
I know, it is my favorite meal of the year.
Yeah.
Can I have an extra piece of this bread, please?
أتبيهمر أديتا مع مسأت هاتا القاء دقيت ومرت ميلي بندل من أندلدا ودموخر لقار تلينا أنبيت الأمحة بلتيتا.
Welcome to our market, where you can find the freshest local produce and handmade treasures. We take pride in our traditions and hope you enjoy.
Why did the musician bring a ladder to the wedding?
Because they wanted to reach the high notes and dance the night away with everyone else.
Why did the farmer plant a seed in his pocket? Because he wanted to grow his own pocket money for the harvest season in the beautiful hills.